staying alive. All that I feel is a fire inside. I have outrun it. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Some things are different but nothing is changed. Still got my number, still got my name. Tell everybody I'm back in the game.
Kakilala kami sa first work ko. Isa siyang project coordinator doon. So, nangyari na nung nagpasa kami ng resume sa company na yon. Siya yung nag-reply sa email. And lagi ko siyang inaasar. Dun sa email niya is may nakalagay na, see you soon.
Una pa lang, komportable na ako sa kanya. So, kahit magka-chat pa lang ako.
Can't help but say, I freaking love you, love you. Something about you, about you.
Actually, una kong impression sa kanya is mataray siya. And nung nakilala ko na siya ng lubusan, mataray nga.
Masayahin yan. So, sobrang masayahin nun. Magalang din. So, ginagalang niya lahat ng kapamilya ko.
I freaking love you. I freaking love you. Come on, let's do this. I freaking love you, love you. I freaking love you, love you. I freaking love you, love you. Something about you, about you. Got all of the feels, it's magic for real. I freaking love you, love you. I freaking love you, love you. I freaking love you, love you. Something about you, about you. Got all of the feels, it's magic for real. I freaking love you, love you. I freaking love you.
Love, abe, meron. Ayun, so since in just few hours, aalis na tayo sa pagiging single and magkakasama na tayo habang buhay. Simula mamaya, more on kulitan, more on asaran, pero sana less yung pikon. Because we're going to build the happiest family that we will ever have.
Tossed in like a castaway, but we won't.
Pagkaharap ko si Ben, na-express ko kung sino talaga ako. Tanggap niya ako for who I am. Kaya siguro, super thankful ako kasi nakilala ko siya. At ayun, dumating kami sa punto na to. So, ito na yan.
Ang pinagpre-pray ko lang dati is sana magkaroon ako ng someone to love on, to love with. And siguro kaya hindi binibigay sa akin yun is hindi pa ako prepared until I prayed for preparation. And nung prepared na ako, hindi lang siya yung ibinigay sa akin, siya pa yung unang nag-chat sa akin.
Thank you kasi pinili mo pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Love na love kita. And yun nga, see you mamaya.
Mapapromise ko lang sa'yo is mas mamahalin kita at lagi kitang babantayan, hahalagaan, mas pahahalagahan kung sa tingin mo or kung dumating man yung panahon na sa tingin mo is meron akong pagkukulang. I'll promise you that I will fulfill my role as your husband. Salamat sa lahat ng panahon na magkasama tayo. Alam mo na ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. At nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Love you.
God has put together, let no man put asunder. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos, hindi pwede paghiwalayin ng sino mang tao.